aptly named the Oh Shit Kit, simply as a matter of a function, really. I decided throughout my competitions that I needed a box that was going to resolve any situation that I came across that might make me say, oh shit, in the middle of my run. So a very deep name there. It is whatever you need it to be. For me, some things that are always in there. I have a screwdriver, Phillips, and a flathead. You never know when you're going to have burners or random things that you could possibly fix on your own. You should get a maintenance guy or somebody at the competition site or at the practical site to help you with it, but if you need it, you have it. If you're using a pressure cooker, I always keep a second gasket because you just never know. If I'm using an ISI canister, I always keep an extra ring because it's pretty critical if that breaks. They're not readily available in too many places. I always keep an extra charging handle and extra charges as well. I haven't come across any duds in my career, but I don't want the one time that I do to be in the middle of something that's relevant. Zip ties, because what can't zip ties fix? Duct tape, same thing goes. And then Band-Aids. Now, the reason the duct tape is in my kit is because Band-Aids sometimes just don't quite do the trick. So the duct tape and the Band-Aids often go together more often than not. Duct tape can fix a lot of things as well. You know, the kit is whatever you need to feel confident and comfortable and to just know that you have as many variables as you can consider covered. You're never going to have everything covered. Something's always going to go wrong outside the scope of what you've prepared for. But the more you've prepared, the more you've planned, the less these items are going to be of critical importance. And quite honestly, I think knowing that you've prepared is more often than not peace of mind enough to keep the demons in your head at rest so that you can proceed and execute to the best of your ability.